Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to break down and bring to you a video on Cardano, ADA, we're going to be looking at today. Making the world work better for all is the slogan. Okay, so yeah, breaking down ADA from a fundamental perspective and a technical analysis perspective to looking at how underpriced this asset currently is, and sort of a price prediction of what we can be looking out for the future. And maybe, well, it's not maybe, I'll definitely be showing you guys a trade that I'm looking for on ADA at the end of this video. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit a subscribe button, notification bell on. You're never going to miss one of our uploads here on Crypto News. And drop a little like, it helps us out. Okay, so Cardano, we all know Cardano. ADA have been doing very, very well here over the last few years. Proof of stake here as a general blockchain. They are, in terms of the CMC race here, the ranking system, they're 11th with a $12 billion market cap, $12.2 billion market cap, and it's actually down 3.51% here over the last day or so. With volume has actually increased by 37%, but still only ranked 33rd out of all cryptocurrencies, right? So it just shows that the holders of this asset are a lot more stable, and they're not trading this asset so much. They're more just holding. Okay, diamond hands. Okay, so before we go into any more details about Cardano, I just want to talk to you guys about Flockerz. It's a new DAO. Okay, it's a decentralized application. There's a vote-to-earn ecosystem, which is super, super interesting. Definitely want to check out, guys. There's a lot of meat on the bone here, so I'm not going to go into too much detail here. But Flockerz is definitely one to watch from a meme coin perspective, and you can see they've actually got a pre-sale at the moment, and they've currently just raised $516,000. Okay, $516,000 in this pre-sale. They're aiming for 770, and yeah, they're aiming for 770. So there is still chance for you guys to get in and reap the rewards here from this successful launch, because it's basically going to be a successful launch if they've got 500k in the bank. Okay, you can see you can get involved with Ethereum, USDT, Card, or even BNB, guys. So jump to the link in the description, go check this out for yourself. Huge early rewards, staking. There's amazing stuff here, and they've also got audits, public audits for you guys to review as well, just to show that is the legitimacy of this project overall. Okay, so definitely want to check out, guys. Links are in the description. Back to ADA for now, and we can see here, just touching on the all-time high market cap before we go any further, that was actually around $94 billion. Okay, $94 billion invested. Oh, well, not invested, but as a market cap figure is pretty high, considering we're currently at 12. And the all-time high is actually all the way up at 94. That is a pretty big jump. Okay, it's around an 8x, 8.5x here on the current market cap, or on the current investment that you are in with Cardano already, just to get to all-time highs. And we know about these cycles, guys. We're very likely to break this all-time high when we see it rally up again, right? So there's a lot of money to be made here with the current price of Cardano. Okay, so let's break this down even more here. You can see this is obviously the all-time high from August 2021, and then obviously we crashed down for this dirty, disgusting, filthy bear market, and from that point onwards we have seen a little bit of a rally up for March, only naturally in comparison to the rest of the market. But right, a lot of the market has sort of done this now, and we're kind of sat at this sort of area. This is the common pattern for most altcoins right now, but ADA is lacka. Okay, it's slacking in this in the bullish momentum right now in terms of building its market cap back up. I don't think that this is a problem, not for a $12 billion market cap asset. I don't think that it's going to affect it in the long run. In the longevity side of things is what I'm trying to say. But what I'm saying here is this asset is currently underpriced. Okay, it's currently underpriced because everything else is pumped and this hasn't pumped. For this will naturally catch up, and there is a few things that we can be looking into here just to get us a good idea of how we essentially want to navigate this. Okay, so just drawing some trend lines and just getting some very basic TA in here. That's probably a little bit nicer and juicier there. And what you can see here is resistance on the top side, which we have tested multiple goddamn times here. Okay, we've got what, 4 or 5 tests there, and you can see the support on the lower side, 1, 2, nearly 3 tests. So what I do predict for this asset right now is probably a retest of this low trend line here. Won't be terrible if that happens, because on the micro here you can see we've come up after setting a low, come up and we've set a higher low after breaking this high. Okay, and that confirms this as a higher low, meaning that we are now in a confirmed uptrend. Okay, so as long as we stay above this area here, we're still going to be in an uptrend. Okay, so we can actually come down to here, bounce off here quite nicely, and then see us reclaim the Fibonacci 0.236. And then the trade that I'm referring to, guys, which I was referring to at the start of this video, is going to be a trade from this Fibonacci 0.236 up to this lovely trend line here, worth around 11% here. Personally, for me, I would prefer a bounce to the downside first, because then we'll be testing the 4-hour volume-weighted ATR band, and also we'll be capitalizing on the momentum here of this trend line to the upside. And that basically means the momentum to the upside can be really quite strong here. 44% there, 35% there. If we whip down, like whip an excursion down here, they could be roughly, it's usually half, so that's a 20% move here from this area. So we can capitalize on a nice 11% move after that momentum has been formed. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for ADA. Looks pretty clean, looks pretty happy, and if you are looking for a DCA scenario, that would fall into that bracket as well. Let me know what you think of my TA. Let me know what you think of the video. What do you think of ADA as well? And I'll get back to you in the comments. Drop a little like if you found some value here. And again, guys, before we finish this video, go check out Flockerz. It's definitely one you don't want to miss, guys. All the links are in the description there. Massive, massive gains to be made on that bad boy. That's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.